HKS is a global architecture, engineering, and design firm, and we focus on a series of different building types. There really aren't other building types that combine both scale and complexity quite like sports and entertainment projects.
Stadiums are usually between 1.5 million to 3 million square feet. The design teams typically involve between 50 and 100 people, and the design processes last anywhere from 6 months to a year and a half.
One of our biggest challenges is trying to communicate the scale and complexity of our projects.
On an intense design process, every 2 weeks we're getting in front of the client team. So we take up all of the current condition for every Revit model, mechanical, structural, architectural, interiors, and we import all of those models into the engine. It's a complex project, so it's very helpful to have everything in one model. It orients the client, and what we're showing him is the current status of all the disciplines.
Our largest models utilize about 100 Revit models. In the development world, and the largest game engine stuff, we're 10 to 12 times bigger. We hardly ever have more than a week on a single model. We just don't get it.
We've developed a proprietary process that allows us to optimize and work through all of these large models and create very efficient versions of them that go right into a real-time engine. Unreal Engine enables us to import updates into the model even the morning of the meeting, and then simply take the interactive model to the client and fly through it. We have several templates that we've built. We have tools to cut sections and plans, add materials, camera speed controls. We can control the time of day, month, and year. So we can do geo-correct sun studies in real time, looking at shadow on the field, which is really important in sports projects.
Raytracing is game-changing because it's a big deal. The fact that we can push 50 or 60,000 people in a model, all shadowed and bounced light and everything else off of it, and the reflections on the windows is staggering.
We've been waiting for ray tracing for years and years and years now, just so that we can get the accuracy in the glass, the reflections, the ray trace shadows are just looking incredible right now. The new NVIDIA RTX cards are just really doing a good job of pushing all this information, this data. We don't even see much of a slowdown.
Using Unreal Engine's become crucial in my design process because it's much more engaging. You get a lot more response from the client, like you're going on a journey together. You're discovering the design process together.
We can show thousands of viewpoints in moments. Plus we can modify on the fly. We can pull it up in the editor and make modifications while they watch. The level and the number of those detail components that we can put in is unique to Unreal. There isn't any other engine that'll do that.
We know we were the first firm to really use in the Unreal Engine, but we still are significantly further ahead of any of our competitors on that. And we know it because we win projects against our competitors. And they say, wow, nobody showed us anything like the capabilities that you guys are showing us and bringing to the table.